Hello everyone and welcome back to Small Fabulous Home channel. Smells like summer and it's time for some summer decor. Welcome to Ocean Inspired Decor. These are the decor items that I will use for now. I would like to remind you that I'm a very practical person, so I like to use all sorts of items for my decor to keep it on a very low budget but still look amazing. I am dreaming of a very long vacation on the beach just to relax and enjoy the sun, so I thought I could bring a bit of ocean vibes in my home until I actually leave on vacation. Let's start with a simple bamboo decor bowl that I have been using for many of my arrangements and some blue potpourri that will bring a bit of ocean scent in the room. This potpourri had exactly what I needed, everything similar to what you would find in the ocean, even some seashells. I mean, it's perfect. Simple yet perfect. I think I will use the branches for a different arrangement. This glass vase is something that I just got from Jumbo and I really like it with this little starfish detail over here. It's so cute. I removed all shells from here as I think I can use them for something else instead. Plus, it looks much better this way. Do you think so? Leave a comment below with your thoughts. Also, I have added 2 seashells that are so thin, I am still surprised how they survived in one piece. You are the sunshine of my life. I got sunshine on a cloudy day. And I'm starting to sound like I'm reading from Shakespeare. Yep, it doesn't sound good if it comes from me. I realized how much I love things with messages. This bottle I couldn't resist, had to buy it, and it looks so well with the arrangement. I'll show you the final version a bit later in the video. Keep watching! Moving on, I have this glass bowl which I will fill with this sand. I can't call it sand, but it does look like broken seashells. I love this pearl texture that it has. Adding some extra decor and we'll see later how this turned out. Now let's see, what can I do with all of these? A large glass bowl, blue scented candles. I should remove the label. I think it would look much better without it. Some blue colored stones. I really hope this will not turn into a crazy blue room. And some smaller versions of the blue candle, and I think I will start with these. What else do I have here? Some seashells that I collected from the beach. These larger shells are from the beach in south of Spain. It's crazy how I carried them all the way from there. My friend gave me this piece of coral she found on the beach. I will never buy one. I would prefer protecting our oceans and seas. I will fill this tray up with white sand. Oh, how this white sand brings back so many memories. I've added the seashells and everything looks so amazing. This tray looks like a piece of beach in my living room. I absolutely love how it came through. Remember the seashells from the first potpourri at the beginning of the video? Well, here they are. I'm going to use this glass tray and I'm going to add some blue new potpourri. This is different from what we have. I think this is even like a dry plant something, but definitely this combination will look very good at the end. I think this is the first time I actually stop and think of the fact that I use so much potpourri in my decorations. It's like I'm turning into like those ladies with a lot of cats, but I'm using a lot of potpourri. It just feels easy to work with it. Also, it leaves a great scent in the room, and plus it comes in so many shapes and colors. It's just super cool to work with it. Let me know what you think. Do you like potpourri? Do you use them, or you simply ignore it? Leave your comments below. I really love mosaic and I probably have it all over the house. So you probably seen in this also in my bathroom renovation video. But I also like to work with see-through glass because it can be so creative. You can have so much fun with this. So bear in mind, if the bottom of the glass is rounded, your items won't stay straight. Like in this case, my candles. I usually fill the bowl up with sand and only after I would put the candles in so they could fit perfectly and have like a straight positioning. Now for the smaller glasses, I will fill them up with the rest of the small blue stones, and I also have this LED candle that I believe would be a good fit for this piece. Time for arrangement reveals. This is how the trays and the bowls turn out. It looks so amazing. I absolutely love it. It brings back so many memories from the seaside. Oh yeah, and one more thing. I found this sticker stuff. I'm not really sure what they're for, but I would definitely use them on the side. And they turned out like very nice here on the side, perfectly with the theme and the decor. Now a full view of the entire space with all the small arrangements and all the details, everything put into place, everything that will remind me of the sea, the ocean, the summer vacation, just a bit of it brought into my humble little home. I would love to hear from you. Leave your comments below. What did you think about this video? Was this inspiring? Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Would really appreciate your support. See you on Pinterest and Instagram. Until next time, have a lovely day from Small Fabulous Home.